In this video, we'll show you how to customize the colors of your cycling kit design using Design Lab. Customizing your cycling kit colors. To change your design's colors, click on the Color tab. There are 5 color areas that will assign colors to specific elements in your kit design. To edit your colors, click on an area and choose the color you want from the swatch library below. Selected colors will be marked with a small check mark on the color swatch to help you remember which colors have been used on your kit design. For more creative experimentation, you can apply the same selected colors to different areas by clicking the Shuffle button. Saving a color palette. Navigate to the My Palettes tab. Name your palette and click Save. This is helpful when you're designing matching products and want to apply your color palette quickly and accurately. For instance, if I'm working on a Solar Bib to match the jersey, I can click on My Palettes and select Apply to instantly add the colors to my new product design. Color combos and trending colors. Click on Trend Palettes to discover trending colors and new color combinations curated by our Jakroo designers. You can choose a palette and instantly apply it to your kit's design. Explore different preset color combinations by clicking on More Color Combos tab at the bottom of the workspace. Customizing zippers, binding, stitching, or inner leg panel colors. For example, for this jersey, I can change the zipper from black to white. Hidden zippers are achieved by partially extending the fabric panels over the top of the zipper. Jakroo suggests using a white zipper for primarily lighter color designs and a black zipper for primarily darker designs. Some custom cycling kits have exposed flat lock stitching. If configurable, the option to customize the color will appear. Simply select the stitching option and choose which color you'd like to change it to. Other custom bottoms and suits will have the option to switch the inner leg panels from pre-dyed fabric to printed, allowing for the addition of extra colors and graphics to be visible. Printed leg panels can be customized with graphics and additional colors. However, it's important to note that printed inner leg panels may be less durable to abrasion compared to pre-dyed ones. Keep in mind that pre-dyed panels are not customizable and usually come in solid black or navy blue. Applying custom Pantone colors. If you wish to incorporate custom Pantone colors in your kit design, you can utilize our Pro Assist chat feature to seek help from a professional designer. The designer will guide you through the process, ensuring that your design is produced with your specified Pantone colors before printing. It's important to be aware that our printers can only reproduce specific custom Pantone-coded colors. Therefore, please verify with the Pro Assist designer if your chosen Pantone color is compatible. Ordering a test print. Create your perfect custom cycling kit design with assurance by choosing our recommended test print option. This allows you to personally review colors before finalizing the entire order. Click the Get Pro Certified button on the top right of your Lockers page and select the Design Review plus Physical Test Print option to enhance your satisfaction with the end product.